Today we're going to talk about how to pick out a good leek plant for your vegetable garden and how to care for it. Leeks are going to take a little less time to mature than a regular onion, and it'll still give you that mild onion taste. So if you don't want to wait 120 days, these only take about 75 to 100. So it's going to be about a month earlier, for these leeks. You definitely want to take a look and make sure each little spot in the 4-pack has some in it, and make sure they're not browning out. This one looks pretty good. It's all pretty green in there. There's not anything browning out on you. These you want to plant in full sun. Just about every vegetable wants to be planted in full sun. And definitely don't forget to water them at least once a day or every other day. And you could definitely put some fertilizer on these, and that will definitely help them get bigger. Any kind of Miracle-Gro fertilizer is going to be okay. There are special fertilizers for all different kinds of vegetables, but I usually just recommend the regular old Miracle-Gro. It's going to make them get about twice as big and about twice as fast. And definitely just want to plant them in full sun, water them, make sure there's no brown spots on them, and you should be good to go.